Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight on the Unimat SL1000, I'm going to show you guys another tool. The tool that's on this machine right now is 180 degree opposed to this one. So this particular tool is made for traversing from the headstock to the tailstock. The tool that I have in there right now is just the opposite, and we're going to use it as a facing tool tonight. The geometry is very similar to this one, albeit this one has a little bit more of a paraboloid shape to it. This one's a little bit sharper, but the finish and operation is basically the same. Gonna make a shallow pass here. Now this tool is probably about a thousandths low. It leaves just the slightest of pip on the end of the stock here. We're going to go for a second pass here. Now we're at 685 RPMs. And the tool, given this RPM and the way that I fed it, is very mirror-like. Yes, this is the same 10 degree back rake on this thing, and it does have a 10 degree nose. Concavity, I guess that would be the right word, I don't know. Anyways, just showing a facing operation with this type of tool. Thank you for watching.